Vivo has officially started teasing the launch of its upcoming V60 smartphone in India. The company hasn't revealed a launch date. Vivo is also promoting the V60 as the slimmest phone in its class, despite housing a large 6,500 mAh battery. Support 90W fast charging. The device will be available in auspicious gold, moonlit blue, and mist gray. The V60 is expected to launch as a rebranded version of the Vivo S30 for the global market. The Vivo V60 will feature Zeiss-branded optics on the rear, supporting up to 100x digital zoom. The teaser images also confirm a triple camera setup on the back, including a 50-megapixel primary sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide shooter, and a 50-megapixel sensor paired with a periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom support, and a 50-megapixel selfie camera. The Vivo V60 is expected to sport a flat 6.67-inch 1.5K AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1,300 nits of peak brightness. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.